We just came up with the craziest idea, y'all. It's only like we can only do this because it's quarantine. We gotta take advantage of this quarantine. We here. Mask on. Fuck it. Mask on. Mask on. Oh my god. I need to stop being this spontaneous at 25. Someone's excited. It's like, what time is it? It's almost 1 a.m. midnight, and we're actually going to the drugstore to buy some hair dye, cause not even hair dye, hair bleach, cause somebody is gonna bleach their hair platinum.
やった後にこっち。じゃあこれ2箱でこれ1箱。1つ絶対2個。こっちは絶対2個じゃん。いいんじゃない？ OK。30回振った？もう一回1、2、3、4。That'll be too much. Okay.
I'll see you guys later on after we're somewhere along the line. Bye! So the first set is in. I don't know what this does, but I've seen people put plastic bags over their head while they're bleaching their hair, so I guess it must do something, right? For now, I don't see any hair like falling out, but ooh, look at that color. That's what the back looks like. Let's go wash this off, okay? I'll be back! Oh my god. You know what I look like? I look like that, what's that character from Demon Slayer? I think I saw a character like this from Demon Slayer. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna dry my hair and do one more round. Now I don't know if this is safe to like bleach your hair twice in a row, but we're gonna do it. I should probably stop touching it. It is burning. This is the second round. We're gonna keep it in for like 15 minutes. Let's see where it goes. I'm probably gonna go to sleep after this and give my scalp a break, cause oh my god, this shit burns. Good morning, guys. So it's the morning after, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. We're gonna put some color in. It's a Gatsby Natural Bleaching Color Champagne Ash. That's better than what we got yesterday. So I did my makeup and this is the final look. I love it. I really love it. I need to take some selfies with this. I don't know how to act. I'm flipping what I don't got.
but we rented a office space to kind of set up everything. Meeting her at 11 a.m. and it's currently like 10:55. I'm late. I have so many things on me right now. I look crazy and I'm like vlogging too. Like, this is the website we borrowed the space from. We're here. This thing is so... Let me introduce you though. Like, you don't need any introduction, but this is Yoko, guys. Hey guys. She's doing my makeup today. Okay. Now I'm nervous. No.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Some moments I've been waiting for. Are you ready? I'm ready. My heart is beating. Why? Okay. Yo. Oh my god. Oh, can you see in the camera? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to act anymore. Holy fuck. I look snatched. Hi guys, so we're back home. It's currently about 10 p.m. I am exhausted, but yeah, today I really had fun hanging out with Yoko. She's just such an amazing artist inside out, and it was nice, you know, catching up and talking about a lot of things and getting a glam done at the same time. For tonight, I am going to sleep and my camera is about to die, so good night. See you tomorrow.
はい、トマト、アボ、パクチーなくなってるごめん。大丈夫だけど。
あ、入れてて大丈夫だった。
入れてて大丈夫だった。ごめん。
チキンに味。
あー、オッケーオッケーオッケー。なんか忙しい。
あ、ごめんなさい。So, tonight we are doing Mexican food night. Doing Mexican food night. We have Suki over, and yeah, we're making dinner. Oh, onion got we need some drinks up in here. Ah! これ、しーちゃんこれ2錠? どうしたの? Good morning. Today it is a Monday morning. It's a Monday morning it's currently around like 12. I kind of slept in. Last night was so fun. After the Mexican food we had with my family and Suki, we basically watched like a bunch of scary movie I don't remember which one we watched, but we watched a Korean one, and we watched this, what's it called, Dean and Dan or something like that, with some hillbillies like saving the world or something. I don't know, but like we watched this movie, and yeah, after that we went to sleep. I don't have any work for today and tomorrow because it's technically a national holiday. So yeah, we're gonna chill. Tsuki's still here for Monday. Later on, going out to eat some food, and yeah, hopefully I can take you guys with me. But for now, I'm gonna do my nail because they're looking crusty. My lips looking crusty too. I look rough, but it's a day off and we're gonna be lit. All right. What the makeup is looking like. I try on the false lashes that I got from Yoko the other day. I don't have too much foundation on because we're gonna be wearing a mask, so yeah. We're all ready. This is my outfit today. I got this blazer from H&M and this pants from American Eagle. Ooh, she's wearing a white dress today. Twirl, twirl, show the back. Girly. Oh, Tsuki-chan. The blouse is from Zara. The pants is from. Ooh, and nice. So we're ready. We're going. Bye. We're doing a mini photo shoot in front of the Tokyo Station Marunouchi Central exit. This building, I think I've only seen it like twice in my life, but it is so pretty. Like, oh my god, I could never get tired of this. So pretty. We're at Tokyo Station. It's so quiet here compared.
金またはカードをお入れください。ご利用ありがとうございます。取り忘れにご注意ください。
My hands are not long enough to do this thing, so it's like every time I try to vlog, my face is like half gone. and it's just my mask showing.
こんなって、あ、そういうことね。
So we're going to this place called 6 by Oriental. We're in Ginza, but it doesn't look like there's enough to see. I'm not sure. Just want this red light to get its shit together and let us through. But Tuki, she a New Yorker. She just went like, I don't give a fuck. Okay. One drink って書いてあった。あら。So our food is here. Go ahead and eat. You can go ahead. It's French fries and truffle and cheese. That sounds bomb as well. How's it? Yeah.
It's really good. I like it. What today?
We got the caramel pancake and the cheese truffle fries. The fries taste so good. Oishii? Goodbye?
うまい？マジでうまくない？
一瞬で終わるね、これ。ちょっと。
ゆっくり食べゆっくり。
って言ってさ、すぐ早く食べちゃうでしょ。
でもあった？
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. We're still on a holiday. We're going back to work tomorrow. But one last time for today, I am going on a riverside barbecue with some previous intern friends. I was working at Uber Eats as an intern at the back end support. It's like a support team-ish. So I used to work there as an intern at the end of university, and yeah, I met some really cool people there and we became really close. The other day we went for like a quick dinner, but some of us decided to get back again to go on a riverside barbecue. So that's what we're going to do today. I don't know how much of it I can vlog, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so that's it for the montage. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried vlogging as much as possible during the barbecue, but I was having too much fun. I was busy eating, I was in the moment, so I apologize for that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the montage, and if you have made it this far, thank you so much. This is a long video, and if you guys made it this far and you haven't as yet, please feel free to, you know, click that subscribe button. And if you're not feeling like subscribing yet, maybe click the like button until you kind of feel like, you know, subscribing eventually, hopefully, you know, join the family eventually. But yeah, other than that, maybe you can leave a comment or anything. I'll probably comment back or something. But unfortunately, that's it for today's video. I am going to call Genoa and go to bed and get ready for the rest of the week. Work is beginning again. Yeah, I gotta get ready for that. I will see you guys in the next video, but until then, have a wonderful week and I'll see you guys around. Bye. Good night.